Hi and welcome to this course, Build Pizza Restaurant Website using PHP. In this course, you will learn how to build a complete pizza restaurant using PHP. And I'm going to teach you everything from the very beginning all the way to allowing your customers to pay, and you will be able to monitor the system and start delivering pizzas to your customers. So you will be taught how to add pizza to cart, how to increase and decrease the number of meals that your customers want to buy, and also you will be taught how to check out. So your customers will be able to check out, and as soon as a customer places an order, you will be notified. You will know that an order has been inserted in the system, and you can start delivering the pizza as soon as the order is inserted in the database. Moreover, you will be taught how to allow your customers to pay using PayPal. I'm going to teach you how to incorporate PayPal into your website so that you receive money from your customers. All of these things will be taught in this course to make sure that you build a complete pizza restaurant website. Who is this course for? Well, it's very important to know who is this course for so that you make the right decision whether you should take this course or not. And I'm going to be helping you by providing you with the groups that should definitely take this course. So the first group that should take this course is developers who want to specialize in building e-commerce websites. If you really want to specialize in building e-commerce websites, then this is your opportunity. This course will provide you with the skills required to build a complete e-commerce website. The second group that should consider taking this course is programmers who want to become professional PHP developers. Becoming a professional PHP developer takes a lot of time and requires learning so many skills, and this course will cover a lot of skills that are required to become a professional PHP developer. And by taking this course, you will have added so many skills to your to your skills and knowledge in PHP. What is expected after taking this course? Well, after taking this course, first of all, you will have robust understanding of an e-commerce website and its structure. Second, you will have created a complete pizza restaurant website using PHP. Third, you will have learned important and new skills. And finally, you will be able to apply for PHP web developer positions confidently because you will have created and built a complete e-commerce website using PHP. If you have any questions about this course, let me know and I'll be glad to answer them. You can contact me on my website commoncode.com.